Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to use Midjourney ChatGPT to create AI art and sell it online. In this video, I will show you how to turn your AI generated artwork into physical product that you can sell it online. Let me start by showing you the product which I have created and posted it online on a marketplace Zazzle. So this is the sticker and the dino which you are seeing here is created using Midjourney. And the same image I have used for this t-shirt design as well. So watch the video till the end. So let's start our work by creating our sticker in Midjourney. So I've logged into Midjourney and I'm going to give the prompt. The prompt which I'm using, I'll paste it in the description of the video. You can use it. So we have got our first set of sticker. Let's see. In this, the version 2 looks good. We can go ahead and upscale this one. So let's go and upscale. And I'll go ahead and create another one again. This time I'm going to create for cyberpunk cat. So for the cat, we have got really nice stickers. So let's see. This looks good. This one. We can go ahead and upscale this one. I have another prompt which I'm using for creating stickers. This will be posted again. You can use this. So let's see what result we'll get with this prompt. We have another set of sticker here. We can see this has a better outlining and other thing. So we can use this. So once we have the sticker created, we will go ahead and convert those sticker into PNG so that we can use it. So I'm going to use this photopea.com, which is an online editor. This is a free tool. Let's drag this into the editor. Once we have this, what we're gonna do is we'll go to this select option and click on this remove background. Once you click on this, this will be converted into PNG image. Then you can go to file and export as PNG. You can select the quality here. So I'm going with 4096, which I feel is enough. So once you have this dimension set, you can go ahead and save this image in your system. So once we have the product ready, now we will register on Zazzle using our Google account. Once you have logged in, you have an option of sell here. Click on this sell. To sell, you can click on this start selling today. You need to verify your email. Once you verify your email, you can start selling the product. So for the first time, you will not have any store. So you can create any store name here. So I have given as a digital AI art. Once you create that store, you can go to click on this view store. And inside this, so let's go ahead how to create a product here. So what we can do here is we have this option of create a product link here on the right side. So click on this. Once you click on this, you can select anything which you want to sell here. So let's go ahead and start creating this t-shirt design. So click on this t-shirt. You will get an option here like, your image will come here or something like that. So I'll go ahead with this white one. Click on this. So you have this option of customize this design. So click on this. You can upload your photo from here. So once you upload the image here, you can click on this. Now you can see how actually it will look. So it is little on the left side. So let's go ahead and adjust it. Once the adjustment of your design is done, what you can do is click on this done and you can see how exactly it will look. Next, you have this sell it option. So click on this. So on the sell it page, you have title, marketplace department, description, and other details to be filled. I have used ChatGPT to write the entire content from the title to description and the keywords, everything. Once you have everything details filled, you can go ahead and select your royalty here. That's all for the day, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.